Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. And in this video I'll guide you through how to fix video call problems on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to restore smooth video calling. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and enable notifications. Now let's begin.